Welcome back again. It's your girl Atafa the Press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right this or right there, my people. So all I want to know to do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it.
A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also.
A pleasant good day to you, my wisdom warriors. Wagwan, wagwan. I hope you all are doing good and I hope you all are doing okay. Anyway, my viewers and subscribers, no need to hear this. Grandmother appeals for help after fire raises 2-bedroom house in Salt Spring. Less than 2 weeks after a fire of reportedly malicious origin completely engulfed her 2-bedroom house in Salt Spring, St. James, 48-year-old Danette Smith is issuing a heartfelt appeal for help to rebuild so she and her 2-year-old grandson can get back on their feet. Smith, who has lived in the community for 5 years prior to her devastating loss, showed the charred remains of the house, which she and her toddler grandson, Omari Antwin, shared with her church sister, Paula Harvey, up until April 10, when the blaze destroyed everything they own. My viewers and subscribers, on here what go on right now, the grandmother is asking for help. Is coming out to the public and is appealing for help. Listen, I hope the government I hear this, I hope Andrew Holness and the administration is listening to this grandmother. You understand? You hear what it say? The fire was maliciously done. My viewers and subscribers allege. Me don't know. Just a pass on the information. But what I'm saying is, me sure know that this did come out in the news before. Yeah? And something like this, the government need to assist people. When people have them a kind of problem there, the first thing they do are run figure assist. And many a times, I say Andrew owners come out when people house up on fire, he run out and say, I'm going to help them. And today, if you check it, he no help none of them. The people, they not get no help. I remember some particular persons, about more than 10 of them house burned down somewhere in Kingston. I can't remember right now. And I remember the government went there. Andrew Holness went there himself and said, I'm going to help them. And they never helped them. I remember it was Wayne Lonesome that helped them. My viewers and subscribers, the government need to assist citizens when they are in these type of situations. A lot of time, I say when I take taxpayer money and I do foolishness. You understand me? This happened from the 10th of April. And now, today, our date. Today is what date? What, the 28th? Or something like that, I believe. So, or the 27th. So, look, come on. Who is the MP for that area? You need for help. You need for really help. You need for step in. And your owners, you have a lot of taxpayer money doing jack shit. You understand? You're taking people their money and do what you feel like to do. Listen, you need to assist these people. This grandmother, she really need your help. You understand me? So, government and your owners and your administration, please reach out to this grandmother. I never fear her fault. You understand? And she really need the help. Come on, 2 weeks is long, man. 2 weeks is really long. Seriously. Come on. You know, if you put something in place. Put something in place on you can assist the residents them, the citizens them of the country. And that's what you need to do. Mighty God. My wisdom warriors, you tell me what you think about this and how you feel. And put an honest opinion in the comment section. My wisdom warriors, you look on my screen good and tell me who up this so. Headman Bartlett. Up on the screen, Minister of Tourism, this mania, all them think about is money. I mean, stop, blaze them backside. Yes, all them think about is money. How to make the money come in no far. And that's what I think about, look, Jamaica must use cultural heritage to enhance tourism. Minister of Tourism Edmund Bartlett says Jamaica must stop its rich cultural heritage to enhance the tourism product. All them I think about is money. The people them down a Negril right now. The people them down a Negril right now want water. The road they want fix. And all they can come out, Edmund Bartlett, at this time, talking about Jamaica must use cultural heritage to enhance tourism. Enhance what kind of tourism? For who? Who will benefit from it? Because as far as me see, Jamaican people now benefit from no tourism. Only you and your administration and your owners, the whole of no JLP, una alone benefit from it. For no pocket alone fill up. Not Jamaican people. So we know why you come out, come tell we about no, Bartlett. We not depend that with you. We not depend that with you. But you're not easy. You know, say the people they need water. Don't have the area there. You know, say the road want fix. You know, see that. All you can come out right now. You see the people, them even Rick's Cafe, then come out and talk about the road and the roadside and them something there. Yeah, they're complaining because they might attract more tourism. You understand? So they want the place to look nice. Before you come out and say something about that day, you really have, you know, so you're heartless and wicked, you know. My viewers and subscribers, me always tell you, I'm showing you time and time again, so these people don't care about nobody's health. These people only care about wealth and how to make more money. Because from them I come out and I say, Jamaica must tap into its rich cultural heritage to enhance the tourism product. What that mean? That means say you fi step up on the game so they can make more money. And that them a talk about. And that them a talk about fi step up on the game so they can make more money. And listen, this is why when you see USA run out with them travel advisory, yeah, you see, then come out with them travel advisory, USA. Yeah, and when they come out with it, the government upset about it. But really and truly, when the tourists them come, and if nothing fi happen to them, God forbid, touch wood, nothing not gonna happen to them. But say something happen to them. How we not gonna deal with the situation? Because remember, say the health system fail, you know. It's a failure, you know. Remember, say the health system in our country is a failure. Everybody know that. Everybody always a complain. Everybody always come out and complaining about it. So, una talk about tourism, but una enhance healthcare. Why una not talk about enhancing healthcare? Talk about that. Talk about them something there. And you see the road cause a lot of accident also. The pothole in a road cause accident. This is why I say they don't love Jamaican people, my viewers and subscribers. Because they know that the pothole cause a lot of accident. Some people don't want to drop down in the pothole. And when they swing them car, accident happen them kind of way. They too. So, you fi fix the road. You come round and you ownless and the whole of town you come round. And you ownless end up 12 o'clock in the night. And you ownless up on road. Forget to no vote. And look on the road now. Look on the road. Look on the road. The road still have pure pothole. This government do not mean us no good. This government do not care about us. And we need to wise up. Every well-thinking Jamaica need to wise up and see what is going on. These people only care about wealth, not health. And the sooner we realize, the better things will be. You understand me, my viewers and subscribers? You don't understand what I say? Because this a mania right now, today, he might come out and attack these things. While the road down a Negril no stay good. My viewers and subscribers, you know what, yeah? Edmund Bartlett, you have to make sure say the road them fix good. Because the same tourists, money where you want, the tourists them have to travel upon the same bloody road. Seriously. But you just not care. You really and truly, you just not care. And it's just the truth. And it's a very sad situation, my viewers and subscribers. Tell me what you think about this, my wisdom warriors. Because you know how me pray, you know. Me pray deep, you know. Me look into things, you understand? And I'm very observant. I'm very observant. And when they come out and chat rubbish and pretending, being a deaf ears to the people and pretending they don't see what go on and they don't know what go on. It's really upsetting. Really, really upsetting. So no just tell me how you feel and put it in the comment section. Anyway, hear this.
If Jack is standing by my side, should the Paul of Vanessa doing it? Be afraid. And you know, if I start it right at afraid, I'm not going to go any further.
My wisdom warrior, I wanna hear her. I wanna hear the DPP she. Where you say, Mama, Jaya call upon. Where you say Franja is standing by your side, then why should you be afraid? My viewers and subscribers, pop to Origono. Me come fi pop to Origono. Wanna hear the DPP she? Wanna hear her? One thing with her, she comfortable and she confident bad. Her confidence is sky high. Tell me about it.
We are growing increasingly concerned about the way in which the law is implemented and the government action is taken in this country. It appears as if there are two Jamaicas. There's a Jamaica for those who are well connected or privileged, and then there's a Jamaica for the rest of the people.
My wisdom warriors, only hear what Mark Golding said a while ago. Only hear. And what he said a while ago are exactly what is happening in our country. Yes, exactly what is happening in our country. That's why I always tell you, say, you have some persons, different rules go for them. Different rules go for certain persons. When it come to the politician them, different rules go for them. Different rules go for them, my viewers and subscribers. And it's just the truth. It's just the truth. And I agree 155% with Mark Golding. Because Andrew Holness is dividing the people. Andrew Holness is dividing the people. And the people them for no say, united we stand and divided we fall. Who remember that saying? Who remember it? Who remember it? Andrew Holness not care about Jamaican people, my viewers and subscribers. This is the reason why I play about Mark Golding. You understand? And we as well-thinking Jamaicans to know, say, united we stand. So if we unite together, we stand together. If we divide from one another, we fall. You understand? And this is what Andrew Holness want, so him can take over the whole country. And this is what I'm lately seeing. This is what I'm seeing. He might divide the people them. He is truly dividing the people them. And it is unacceptable. But then again, when you look into it, if Andrew Holness a fight against the law of the lands, yeah, he no respect the Constitution anymore. Really and truly, are we him a go respect? My viewers and subscribers, Andrew is all about the money. He's a scraper. You understand? Him and his wife, that's all they do. Scrape taxpayer money. This is why I'm under investigation. This is why that man is under heavy investigation and he need to go prison for. Yes, him need to go prison for it because too much has been going on. And a lot of labor rights, you need to go educate on yourself. When you come over here in a comment, in my comment section, you need to go educate on yourself and look up all of the scandal we go on with Andrew Holness administration. You go check it out. You understand me? You don't know nothing. You go no found no claim say you know and act like you intellectual. You go and do some research and get to know. Or you know and you shame like dog. I must that. A shame on a shame. My wisdom warriors, you tell me if you agree with Mark Golding. Storm up the comment section, like up the video, share it out, and subscribe to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, welcome on a big up on a nice clean self. I'm out.